Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since my last video, but I am very glad to be back with another plan with me in my Hobonichi Weeks. So today I'm only going to be using pens. There will be no stickers at all or even washi in this plan with me. So here I'm just showing you the materials that we will be using, and then let's go ahead and get started. As per usual, I'm going to go ahead and divide a page according to how I need my week to look like. And for this time, I am dividing the page into 5 sections. You are seeing the first 3 sections right now, and I'll explain later what they will be used for. I'm also using my ring planner for reference, but you won't see it on camera. It's just going to be on the side. So let's go ahead and take a look at all of the pens that we will be using for today. And you have seen these pens before because these are the ones that I have been using a lot lately. And I'm only going to be using them for a bit of highlight and a bit of drawing here and there. And this is what I'm going to use it for. It is going to be a terrazzo looking decoration on the left side of the page, and I'm also going to be using the pens as headers. So I'm using 2 main pens right now, with the exception of my fountain pen, which I will show you later, and I'm using them as headers as well. And this is what our page looks like right now. It is very empty looking, but later you'll see that it's going to fill up really nicely, but it's still going to look very minimal. Here I'm just writing down my headers using this scribble script that I am very fond of using, and the fountain pen that I'm using is the 𝐌𝐢𝐧𝐢𝐬𝐭 Skyline in Mint. The ink that I'm using is the Pearl Noir, and that is my preferred ink for all of my Hobonichi planning needs. As for my notes, I'm gonna go ahead and just write it down in contrast to my running task list, which is a running task list with the weeks on the side, on the right side. So this is where I write all of my important information for the week that is not timed, nor is it tasks. So for the empty days on the left side of the page, I'm just going to scribble some more terrazzo patterns with my pen, and this is very easy to do, so that it's just going to be a decor, but it also has somewhat of a functional purpose, just so it can highlight that section of the planner. That section, by the way, is my schedule section, and this side of the left side of the page is a checklist, and it's not a very long checklist because this is just focused tasks or goals. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add some more headers in a little bit, but this is what our page looks like now. So for the headers, I'm just using the exact same pen that I used for the other headers so that it has more consistency. And this section is today's success, so that I don't feel like my days have gone by without accomplishing anything. And I think that is a very wonderful idea. And then on the left side of the page, I have my schedule as well as my daily goals. That's why I don't have a long checklist on that section, because I want to have a few but doable goals. So this is 2 kinds of highlight that I'm doing. The first one is just decorative, so that I can see very clearly the division of the tasks, and then I'm going to use a functional highlight as well on the notes section. And this is what our page looks like, and it's just going to be like this until the week starts, and this page will start on Monday in a few days time. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and make sure to follow me on my other social media, and I'll be back with another video soon.